Hey everybody, this is Michael. Again, we're back with my 2020 Subaru Outback Touring XT. You're gonna notice that I have installed, I've stuck some temporary painter's tape in this groove here. This is actually the door channel here. And I just went ahead and I've taped right here, just stuck a piece just in this little area right here. As you know, I've been having this chirpy squeak sound every time I close the door. Well, I've discovered where it's coming from. It's coming from this area right here, this little under channel here. And if you look at the door, you'll see the molding that actually touches there. That's this right here. I say molding, but this rubber seal. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna close the door onto that piece of painter's tape, and you're gonna notice that the sound is completely gone. Ready? Here we go. Gone. No squeak whatsoever. Now, just to show you, I'll go ahead and peel that tape off. Here we go. And we'll close it again. And the squeak is back. Anyhow, I'm going to tell you now, the video doesn't even do it justice. The sound in person is a lot more obvious. And we discovered the problem. Of course, we don't have a permanent solution yet, but I will bring this up to the dealer when I go. So a little bit of progress has been made in this annoying chirpy noise coming from the 2020 Subaru Outback Touring XT front driver's side door and passenger side door. Thank you.